Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Man, we got a strange one for you. That's right, the bearded bastards are finally on the channel. I gotta tell you honestly, it took me a while to figure out if I really wanted to bring this one, but it's here. So stay tuned. After we roll that intro, I'm gonna show you exactly what I was talking about. There we go. Hey guys, thanks for staying past that intro. Man, my camera's going crazy on me today, so if this one stops and starts and does all kinds of weird crap, we're going to get through it together. So, for you first-time viewers of the channel, and you long-time viewers of the channel who have yet to do it, look down below. I think it's going to be on that side of the screen. Not sure. It's going to be in one of the two corners. Going to be a little channel watermark popping up. Go ahead, hover over that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. Knock it out the way early. That way you ain't got to worry about it for the rest of the day. Alright, like I said, we're going to take a look at the Bearded Bastard Morocco Beard Oil. Why did I pick that one? Honestly, I don't know. It was like one of the first ones that popped up on Amazon that I saw, and I went, hey, that sounds interesting. Click, buy. But, you know, there's the back of the package, which I think is really cool. It says, welcome to the world of the Bearded Bastard. Since 2011, we've been making legendary beard grooming products by hand, and scents inspired by the life of adventure. I love it. Hashtag stay bastard. It just makes me giggle. But there is the bottle. It's a 1 ounce glass bottle, not amber, but just glass, with that little topper that I freaking hate, from those of you who know with my channel. But the one thing to me that just totally sets it apart, that's not a sticker. That's wood that's been wrapped around and glued down with laser engraving. I think that is just something freaking phenomenal that just kind of sets it apart. Now, I'm sorry, with the lighting and everything, I know it's going to be a little bit hard to see, but, you know, that's the label on there. Alright, now, like I said, the opening, you can find them at thebeardedbastard.com, or www.thebeardedbastard.com. They are made in the USA, out of Austin, Texas. Now, we're doing the homework on this company because, honestly, I have seen these before in, like, Dan C. Bearded's videos. Alright, I need to learn a little bit more about them. So when I went to the homepage, the first thing that struck me was, they say point blank, they're a family of bastards that live by the ethos of freedom and self-expression. My first thought was, great, did I find more hippies from Portland? That's the only way I can put it. If you've ever lived in Portland, Oregon, you know exactly what I'm talking about. There's something in the water that just draws screwballs there and go, okay, let's be weird, let's be dumb, let's try to out-weird each other. But I kept looking into them, and I went, you know, did I make a mistake? Did I do this? No, and here's why. Jeremiah Newton, the founder, when he started making this stuff, man, his friends were all over him. Get off your butt, go sell it, go sell it, go sell it. So he packed up his product and went door to door in Austin and started selling to barbershops. He got off his butt and went and got his product out in front of everyone. That's got my respect. Point blank has my respect. Now, with this guy, I gotta tell you honestly, it's got a very strong scent when it comes right out of the bottle and gets on your face. Very, very, very strong. It almost just knocked me over, to be honest, how strong it was at first. But it does fade over time, so it's not like a big bam right in the face the whole time. Now, they say it's a blend of exotic oils, spices, peppermint, cloves, vanilla, coffee, and precious resins. It smelled exactly like burning incense to me. You know that smell that gets in your room? That's exactly what it smelled like. Now, the oil is about a light to medium coat, and, you know, works in really, really well. Seriously, it does. Now, before we get the scent, you know, the smell and everything else, because we're going to bring a special guest on the channel, and no, it is not the cuteness factor right now. The ingredients in this thing are sweet almond oil, safflower oil, grapeseed oil, jojoba or jojoba, however you want to pronounce it, oil, and castor oil. So it's got some pretty good carrier oils in there, and all the resins and fragrances and everything else they had to put in here. So there we go. Now, on thebeardedbastard.com, it's going to run you $20 for this, and it's rated 5 out of 5 stars with 213 reviews. Over on Amazon, it's $19.90 with a 4.3 out of 5 star rating and 38 reviews. Now, here comes the fun part. Careful. Okay, the brat is back. Now we're going to see how she considers this one. I know, normally we have the cuteness factor, but we've got the brat today. Ready? Well, tell them. What do you smell?
What was the thing?
No, tell them what you smell. Don't ask me for anything. Come on.
Pumpkin, apple spice, and, bird poop.
You smell bird poop?
Yeah.
You're just trying to be silly right now, aren't you?
No.
Uh-huh. Bird poop. Okay, we got to get rid of her now, so you go away. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Tell everyone to watch more videos.
Watch more videos of Daddy's videos of nice and beard oil.
Good girl. All right, go. Bird poop. Really? Bird poop? You can hear her over there giggling. I think she's just saying weird stuff.
Love you, Daddy.
I love you too, brat. Seriously, I still smell incense. Not pumpkin and cinnamon and bird poop. Oh, the kids are killing me. Do you see all this great? That didn't happen before them. If you've watched my step-parent series, and speaking of that, look up top. You're going to see a card to every single step-parent vlog I've ever done. You're going to understand why. Just, wow. Weirdo.
That wasn't cinnamon, it was apple spice.
Oh, sorry, apple spice, whatever. Okay, so for you guys who are unfamiliar with uses of beard oil, think of it as a vitamin supplement for your skin. Your body can only produce so much oil to keep your hair growing healthy, help it growing great, and you're not getting all the split ends and everything else. And yeah, that's just stress. I've got a big patch right there again from stress. I wonder why, So essentially, with this one, because it has a little topper, unscrew it, turn it over, tap whatever amount you need into your hand, and just rub your hands together, get the oil coated, and just work it right into your skin. Like I said, you got to think of it as a beard oil. As a supplement for what's under the beard, not so much for the beard. It just gives you this added bonus of putting great fragrances and a great smell into your beard. Now, speaking of beards, I haven't said it yet, so look up top. You're going to see a card for every single beard care product we have ever brought to the channel. There's some really cool stuff in there you might want to check out. Alright, so now here's the important part of the video. I want to know what you think. Questions, comments, love, anger, hatred, whatever, leave it down below. Especially if you've used the Bearded Bastard Morocco before, I'd love to know your experience. Matter of fact, I'd love to know any of your experiences with this company. Because this is the first one I've bought from them, and I'm like, well, let me go try another one, because this is a knock you in the mouth kind of scent. I get why they went with like incense and everything, because, well, I've been to Africa, and in certain marketplaces, this is what you're going to smell, you know? Or I should say, Middle East. Sorry, Africa. Tired, long day, but anywho. Alright, so for you first-time viewers of the channel, I want to say thank you so much for, picking this video. I know there's lots of options out there on YouTube, and I'm very flattered you chose one of mine. Now, for you first-time guys, and you long-time viewers who didn't do it at the beginning of the video, here's your second chance at redemption. Look down below. I think it's going to be in that corner. It's going to be a big old channel symbol popping up. Man, go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've subscribed, please go ahead and destroy this little brother, the bell icon. Why? Well, it's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time I upload a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, two are going to pop up on that side of the screen. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. There we go, guys. My look at the Bearded Bastard Morocco beard oil. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.